Hey guys, welcome back to Goth on a Budget. Let's try this one more time. So this is part 2 of that nail video from a week ago, or 2 weeks ago. Who's counting? Anyways, this is actually really simple. What I did is I used I'm using all the materials from last time too, but I'm using the toenail clippers and shaping the nail into kind of a triangle shape. Or what they call it in the fucking salon. Not coffin, almond shape, stiletto shape, whatever. And of course I'm using the trusty and handy nail file. So yeah, shape those puppies up and then you can glue them onto your natural nails. I found that it was easier to shape them when they were not on my nail than when they were on my nail. But everyone's different. Now go ahead and use that nail glue or super glue. I'm kidding about the super glue. I hope no one's taking me seriously on that. And of course you're going to press on each nail for 30 seconds. And if it falls off, you can just re-glue it again. So how's everyone doing? Good? That's good. Everyone else going stir crazy? Because I am. Oh, another thing too. So after I made this video, we went back to the Dollar Tree, me and the husband, and found out that there's actually nails that are shaped into the almond shapes or coffin shape, wherever you want. So that could have been easier too. But just check out multiple dollar stores and find the nails you want. I don't know. So now that my nails are on, I'm buffing them up with the nail file so we can repaint them. And of course I'm picking black because duh. Why not? And these ones I do leave them simply black because I just like them that way. Remind me of little claws. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it took so long. I'll see you in the next one. Stay spooky.